Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want us to look at this question, which simply says prove the identity. So this one is actually a question from past paper, additional mathematics. So to prove this identity, we can choose, if we want, we can say we pick the left-hand side and then work on it so that it becomes like what is on the other side, or we can do it vice versa. But let me start with the left-hand side. So on the left-hand side, what we have is sine theta minus cos squared theta, then minus 5. This is being divided by tan theta plus 3 cos 3 sec theta. Okay, like that. So we want to show that this part is identical to that part. So what we can do, let's just change a few things. We can say sine theta minus cos squared theta. We can bring in an identity for this one. We know that this one is the same as the 1 minus sine squared theta, like that, then minus 5 divided by tan theta is the same. We can also bring in an identity, that is sine theta over cos theta. So this one gives us tan theta plus 3 sec theta. Sec theta is simply 1 over cosine. So we can say 3, the 3 remains, but the 1 over cosine, we can say over cos theta, like that. So that's our first stage. And then this one is identical to, we can say sine theta. This one and that one, minus 1, negative and negative, plus sine squared theta, and then minus 5. Then down here, we can do a common denominator. So the common denominator will be cos theta. If we divide, that is 1 times this, sine theta, and then cos theta there is 1, and we have 3, like that. So from here, we have sine squared theta plus sine theta. I'm just arranging it according to the degrees. Sine theta, and then negative 1 and negative 5. This will give us negative 6. Then this one, since we are saying divide by, everything here, we are actually dividing by sine theta plus 3 over cos theta. Okay, like that. Then from here, let me just erase the top part. We can simply say, if we factorize this one, this is a quadratic expression, though it has sign. If we factorize, we'll get sine theta. Okay, since the sum will be positive, and then the factors here, I think it's 2 and 3. So what we are saying is, if we say the product is negative 6, then the sum is 1. We are talking about 2 and 3. For it to be negative, that means the negative will be with the 2, so that if we add, we can get a 1. So that gives us, okay, let me just say sine theta. We'll have sine theta minus 2, and then the other one will be sine theta plus 3. Then this one, since we are saying divide by, we will now say times. So the moment we say multiplying, we interchange here. So that will be cos theta divided by sine theta plus 3. Then if we observe, this one is the same as this one, so those can go. And this is leaving us with sine theta minus 2. Then we multiply it by cos theta. And then if we multiply again, we have sine theta cos theta minus 2 cos theta. So quite easily done. Okay, this is our answer. We have shown that actually what is here is identical to what is there. So this is how we can actually show it. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and please share. Thank you so much.